cheating, right? Fuck the actual cheating.
Yeah.
Women don't even want to discuss the feeling of wanting to cheat with us. Like the draw to cheat. And I say, look, what is cheating? Cheating is a man that sneaks out of his house to go to find some, like, semblance of happiness behind his woman's back so he doesn't hurt her feelings.
Jesus.
Cheating is for them.
Holy shit. How do you fucking...
It's not for me.
That's a hell of a spin job.
I don't want to run around in the streets risking my family.
Because then you just fucking invite the girl over to your house and fuck her in front of your girl.
I want to do it while you're there, sweetie, so I can get that evil out.
Because that would hurt her.
It would hurt her feelings.
So the cheating part is actually helping.
It's for them.
It's out of kindness.
Yes, you know how much empathy I have for you for sneaking out to fuck another woman?